Good afternoon. It's September the 5th. This is CNFT's wrap-up on our Treasury note for trade recommendations and trades calls made at 6:45 p.m. Central Time, bright and early this morning. Today was a Newsday trade. We came in pretty neutral on it. We thought the best trade to be taken before the news was a long because the market had been sold over the last several days into this morning's news, and that turned out to be the case. The non-farm payroll number came in at plus 142. They were looking for plus 230,000, and the market just exploded. We had recommended a resting limit sell, 24 off where the market was. That would have had you short at 20. High was 22. Immediately after the news, we wanted to buy this 50% retracement line. We put our official buy at 5 to 9. The low right here came in at 6. And it did generate a positive trade that took the market back up to 15.5. So on this particular trade, you'd have been long at 9 or better, and you would have been able to get out at 15 for upwards of 6. So that was plus 3 to 6/30 seconds on that trade. Our short setup here, we had resistance. We had a sell at 15 to 19. We had resistance at 16 to 20. Had to take out this high, or you could trade from the short side. This puts you short at 13.5 or 15, and this trade took forever to get down to the mean green line. If you'd had a resting limit buy against the mean green line, you're out at 8.5. The market did trade down to 7, so that gave you a shot at 3 to 5, 30 seconds. And then the market set up right here on our retest failure setup. You're long at 8.5, and the market traded to 13.5 for a gross move of 5/30 seconds. That gave you a shot at 3 to 4. So if you weren't nimble and didn't take this trade here and weren't comfortable buying into selling, you wanted to wait for a setup, you missed this particular trade, but it was a call trade, and you could have gotten 3 to 6/30 seconds off of that. The first trade that set up that met all of our criteria, we had a lot of time to think about it, was right here. So you're short at 13.5 to as high as 15, and the market did trade down to 7, giving you a shot at 3 to 5, 30 seconds. And if you got long on the third trade of the day, you got another 3 to 4 off of our setup. So I gave you 3 trades for the day, 2 to 3 trades. If you'd taken 2 trades, the worst case situation was you'd have had 6. If you'd taken 3 trades, you would have had 9/30 seconds. If you had exploited these trades, you could have picked up an extra 3, an extra 5, and an extra 1. So you had an extra 9/30 seconds if you traded it perfectly. So no matter how you cut it, you made 6 to 9/30 seconds, which is a pretty good day of trading in the Treasury now. We do this daily. We recap it. You can come to our website or YouTube and check out how we do on a daily basis, learn how we trade and approach the market. If you'd like to know more about us, please visit our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our website, you'll get an overview of the software, our trading methodology, and our educational programs. To further encourage you to visit our room, we offer you 5 free days in our main trading room where we cover the euro, gold, crude, the 30-year bond, the 10-year T-note, and the E-mini. Talk about them throughout the trading day, and we talk through trades as they set up. Please contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com or call us directly at 312-361-3895. Looking forward to seeing you in the room for your 5-day free trial offer. In the meantime, good trading.